This indicator helped me to earn more than $10,000, even though in the beginning I had just 30. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to trade with you using strategy based on technical analysis. And also we'll use extra tool, which is moving average indicator. So let's look for good situations. Today also guys, I will have just $30 on my deposit. And I'm super excited. I hope you're also excited, guys. Let's go. Let me briefly explaining to you what we'll rely on choosing entry points today. So guys, as you can see, this indicator is a yellow line. And as you can see, when our price crosses the line from the bottom up, we see that the price is showing a good growth. That is, at such intersection, we can open a deal up. Also, when the price crosses this line from top to bottom, we see that the price shows decrease. Here we can open a deal down. Also, in the situation with the correction or sideways, we see that this indicator doesn't give signals as such because the price often crosses this line. That is, in such situation, this indicator is not particularly informative, and I will avoid them as much as possible and look for a more obvious price movement. These are the main points that we will need for today's trading. So guys, let's finally start and find the first entry point. So guys, as you can see, the price showed a strong increase here, but at the moment we see the intersection of the middle line from top to bottom. In such case, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes down, because I think that in the near future the price will move down. Also, as you can see, earlier we saw a price reversal in this zone, and at the same time the price showed a strong decrease. Also, even now, despite the rather strong impulsive price movement up to this point, here we see a certain attenuation. Therefore, I think that in the near future we will see a price reduction. And also in this case, I took the time of 2 minutes with a margin in case correction or rebound up. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price showed a good decrease, and here we got a confident profit. This is how we managed to make money on our first deal, and as you can see, the indicator showed itself perfectly and gave us a good entry point. I suggest we continue and consider the following trading situation. So as you can see, the price showed a strong decrease here, but at the moment the price is pulling back up. In such case, we will open a deal for 2 minutes up, as I think that the price will continue to move up. Also, as you can see here, we have an intersection of the middle line from bottom to top. That is, all this indicates that the price has a good potential for growth, and I think in the near future the price will continue to move up. Also, here we have taken the time 2 minutes with a margin, taking into account that the price may fall into the correction or there will be a pullback down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. That's great, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move up and showed us a good growth. Also guys, so we got profit here, very confident profit here, and 2 minutes in this case was just perfect in our case. So guys, let's continue find another situation on the market. So as you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend, and after the pullback up, the price continues to move down again. In such case, we will open a deal for 2 minutes down, because we also have a moving average crossing, which indicates that the price has a good potential for going down. And also the main price highs on the chart are getting lower. So it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move downwards along the general downtrend, and in this case I will also take 2 minutes with a margin. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. If you're watching my videos without subscriptions, so guys, let's fix it. Well, that's perfect. As you can see, the price continued to move down. And here we got the profit. Also guys, as you can see, the indicator didn't let us down again and suggested us really good entry point. Also the time of the transaction was totally enough. And so guys, let's continue and find another situation on the market. So as you can see here, the price has bounced up from the support level. In such case, we will open a deal for a minute up. Because we also had an intersection of the middle line, and at the same time there's still a lot of space left before the latest price highs. And right now, as you can see, the price is already coming into this zone. As you can see here, we have a strong impulsive price movement up. This is the price has a good potential for growth, and so guys, let's wait for the result. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Excellent! As you can see, several green candlesticks appeared on the chart in a row, and thus the price showed us a good growth. And of course, guys, I made profit from this deal. Also, guys, as you can see, I have $300 on my deposit, which means I increased my initial deposit more than 10 times. Guys, I think it's amazing. Let's continue finding another situation on the market. So as you can see, here the price is moving in an uptrend, and after a small correction, the price went up. In such case, we will open a deal to increase because the price has crossed the middle line. At the same time, the main price lows on the chart became higher. Also, after a small sideways movement, we see an upward price momentum. That is all. This indicates that the price has a good potential for growth, and I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move up on the uptrend, and I hope 1 minute in this case will be totally enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. It's not bad at all. As you can see, the price managed to make a small pullback down, and then an impulsive green candle appears on the chart. And that's how we made a profit here, guys. Also, 1 minute was just perfect here. At the same time, the indicator turned out to be right again and gave us a really good entry point. And so, guys, let's continue finding that situation on the market. So as you can see, we have an impulsive upward movement here. And after a pullback down, the price impulsively broke through the middle line from the bottom up. In such case, we will open a deal for 1 minute up. I think that the price will still show growth. At the same time, as you can see earlier, the price moved impulsively, mainly with green candles. And also the new price minimum turned out to be much higher than the previous one. That is all. This indicates that the price has a good potential for growth. So it is more likely that in the near future, the price will continue to move up along the uptrend. And guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, several green candles were formed on the chart in a row, and thus we got the profit from this deal. Guys, it's amazing. Let's continue. So as you can see here, the price went up with an impulse and broke through the middle line. Here I immediately open a deal for a minute up, since we still have a long distance to reach the resistance level. So as you can see, the price has already reached this level several times and touched it. This is how we understand that the price has a good potential to go up. So it is more likely that the price will continue to rise in the near future, and it will touch the resistance level this time as well. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, it's not bad. As you can see, the price showed a slight increase, and thus our deal closed above the entry point. Guys, we earned from this deal again. And also, as you can see, 1 minute was just enough in this case. And so, guys, let's continue. So as you can see further, the price still touched the market level and at the moment went beyond it. In such case, we will open a deal for 2 minutes up, since I think that the price will broke through this level and it will go higher. Because as you can see earlier, the price went bouncing down, but now we are already seeing attempts by the price to go higher. At the same time, in this case, the middle line serves as a support level, that is, it holds the price and doesn't allow to go lower. All this suggests that the price has good potential to go up, and I think that in the near future we'll see a full breakthrough of this level. And also here we took the time of 2 minutes with the margin, taking into account the possible rebound of the price down or correction. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, we had several green candlesticks formed on the chart in a row, and the price broke through this resistance level, and in this way I got a steady profit. Guys, we have already almost $4,000 on my deposit. We are confidently approaching our trading goal. So guys, I think a couple of deals and we'll reach our trading goal for today. So guys, let's continue. So as you can see here below, after breaking through this level, the price made a reversal. At the same time, we see again that the price crossed the moving average from the bottom up. Here I will open a deal for 2 minutes up, because I think that the price will continue to rise, because there's still enough space left on the chart to reach the maximum point, and also the main price lows on the chart are rising. That is, all this indicates that the price has a good potential to increase, and therefore I think it is more likely that the price will break through this level again in the near future. And also here we have taken the time of 2 minutes with the margin, taking into account the possible correction or rebound of the price down. And let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. Well, that's great. As you can see, the price is showing good growth and it managed to go above the marked level again. And thus, guys, I got the profit from this deal. Also, as you can see, 2 minutes was just perfect in this case, and the indicator actually didn't let us down again and suggests us a really good entry point. So guys, let's continue. We will check one more situation for today. So as you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend, and at the moment the impulse is breaking through the middle line. In such case, we will open a deal for 2 minutes to go down, since it is more likely that the price will continue to move downwards in a downtrend, and there's still enough space left to the minimum point on the chart. At the same time, the main price highs on the chart are decreasing, and we also see that the price is moving down quite impulsively and significantly with red candles. That is, all this indicates the price has a good potential for a decline, and I think that 2 minutes in this case will be just enough for us, guys. And let's see how our deal will close. So my dear traders, excellent! The price is showing a strong drop, and here we got a steady profit. As you can see, the indicator didn't let us down again and helped us to find an excellent entry point. Also, 2 minutes in this case was just enough for us, and as you can see, guys, on my balance I have more than $12,000, which means I fulfilled my trading plan for today. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very useful for you and you were able to learn something new. I hope now you know how to use moving average indicator and you can avoid errors which this indicator can make. And if you still have some questions about this indicator, don't forget to let me know down below. Also, guys, I have a closed group sharing trading signals. These are my trading signals and they are totally for free. So if you want to get them, it's super easy. Just text me a code word signal on my Telegram. All the essential links will be down below. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Guys, I wish you to have profitable trading sessions. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.